John was 10 years old, and he was a clever boy. Most of the pupils in his class at school were not very good at mathematics. But John usually answered the teacher's questions very well. Last Tuesday, the teacher said to the class, "Now I'm going to give you a mathematics test. I'm going to give you a question and say a name. And that boy or girl's going to answer. Now, there's £5.73 in your left pocket and £3.27 in your right pocket. What have you got? Peter? Mary? Helen? None of the pupils said anything for a long time. Then the teacher said, "What's the answer, John?" John answered quickly, "Somebody else's trousers."